How to add comments to Wix. So in order to add a comments to Wix, just designate in here a particular space wherein you want to add that. I'll add that right here under this part. Now, since we have a blank section, click on this add an element option. Now from in there, they should open this. So for this part, just head over and scroll down until you can find the community option. Under the community, we have in here this comments. So click onto this at the site, and then this will add Wix comments to your site. So this may take some time to load, so just wait for this to finish loading. So as you have noticed, they have been added, and in here, visitors can now freely comment onto your actual site on Wix. We have in here some demo comments, and they won't be able to be actually showed when we publish our site since they are just demo. But if an actual visitor has written a comment, they will be added right there. So that's how you add comments to Wix. Hope we helped.